Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to rotate Samsung TV screen. Let's go. Press mute 119 OK. Press 1, 2, 3, 4. MRT option. Change hvflip. hvflip off, normal picture. hvflip, flip picture. vflip, vertical flip picture. H-flip, horizontal flip picture. That's it. Now you know how to rotate Samsung TV screen. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.